fixed exchange rate system. In this diagram, as you guys could see, on the x-axis you have quantity of dollars, on the y-axis you have rupees per dollar, which is the nominal exchange rate. This is the demand for foreign exchange, is the supply for foreign exchange. That is, dollar is the foreign currency and Indian rupee is the domestic currency. Well, you know this, that 50 rupees is equal to $1, as you guys could see. This is the equilibrium exchange rate, but government has fixed this exchange rate at, say, 60 rupees per dollar. Earlier or whatever, at equilibrium, $1 should be equal to 50 rupees. Now people know that $1 is equal to 60 rupees. So there is an excess supply of dollars in the market. RBI has to maintain this exchange rate, that is $1 is equal to 60 rupees. So what it will do, people will have an excess, people would want to sell their dollars, okay, and get money, get Indian rupee in return. RBI will buy this excess supply of dollars in order to maintain this exchange rate at 60 rupees is equal to $1. RBI has undervalued the Indian rupee, that is domestic currency in this case. Why would it want to do so? In order to promote exports. Okay, because now it is easier for the US residents to buy Indian goods. Earlier they could buy just 50 rupees worth of goods with $1. Now they could buy 60 rupees worth of goods at the cost of consumers and the importers. Similarly, there's another case in which government could actually overvalue Indian currency. Now in this case, say it fixes the exchange rate at 40. People would want to demand these dollars. They know this, that the equilibrium exchange rate is 50 rupees per dollar, but government has fixed it at 40 rupees per dollar. So people would want to demand this cheap foreign exchange. So when people are demanding foreign exchange, so central bank or RBI will sell foreign exchange in order to maintain the exchange rate at 40 rupees per dollar. Okay, this may be the case when government wants to encourage imports. Okay, this is the fixed exchange rate system. This is an introduction. Let's talk about in detail about the fixed exchange rate system in the next recording.